We're at Catherine's house. Do the face that you think goes with it.
This is who I am. This is all I've ever been. So many boys in here, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. Then he said, I'm here with my friends. He got to thinking, and that's when he said, where them girls at, girls at?
You what?
Do it again.
I can't remember what I did. I was like, oh, I got to time it just right, I can't do it again.
Do it again now. Oh, what a try.
Oh, I got that comment.
Do it one more time. Oh no, not one.
Come on, I can't just stop them.
Now. No, this is gonna be fun.